Okay, so on the second episode of Taste of Greece, I'm going to teach you how to make my Greek meatballs, also known as Keftedes. They're delicious, juicy, and just so easy to make. So I'm going to begin with an onion and I'm going to chop it up and add it to my food processor with some garlic. Chop it up until it's finely chopped, and then I'll add the onion to a big bowl that my ground beef is in. Next, I'm going to process the greens. So I'm using fresh mint and lots of parsley, just the leaves of the mint and the parsley. If the stems aren't too thick, I just chop those up in the food processor until everything is nice and fine, and then I add it to the big bowl along with panko breadcrumbs, shredded Parmesan cheese, some whole milk. I'll also beat some eggs on the side of the bowl so that way I don't have to dirty another one. Some salt, freshly cracked black pepper, and crushed red pepper flakes for heat. Make sure that everything is mixed really well so the flavors are all evenly distributed. And then I like to line some baking trays with parchment paper. I roll these out into little balls the size of golf balls, and then I put them on my baking pan. When you're ready to fry them, you just heat up some olive oil in a frying pan until it's about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you fry these for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they're nice and golden. Transfer them to a plate that's lined with paper towels to absorb that grease, and then I love to serve these with some tzatziki sauce on the side for dipping. There's so many recipes to use these in, you're gonna love them.